So Ames, we're in the living room. Now people spend a lot of time in this space, but it's a little awkward in the design. What are you thinking?
Yeah, the layout's just a bit off. I want, because it's such a family space, they can kind of be cozy, watch the TV. So we're going to mix the layout around a bit. They're bursting at the seams with storage. Thinking of putting some storage down there.
Good idea.
And I'm thinking something like this for the balustrade.
Oh, now I really like that black because we're going to paint the walls and freshen them up in a white. So the black on there is going to really pop. And I've got some great little brushes that'll help us do that.
I'm so excited for this one.
Me too. So we're starting our first coat on our walls with this beautiful Taubman's Endure Matte, but it's not just about great paint. When you paint, you do the cutting in first with a quality brush, and for that, I'm using a Monarch 63mm walls, doors, trims. And Amy's doing the rolling. How's that going, Ames?
Yeah, good fuss. I'm using an ultra microfiber 12mm nap roller cover. It's perfect for walls. It doesn't get fluff everywhere, and it just gives it a smooth, even coverage.
So we're applying the first coat of our black to our balustrade, and there's some really detailed shapes here, but nothing hard about it with the right tools. For the square sections of the balustrade, I'm using a square shaped brush, which just gives you so much control and precision and makes getting those square shapes done super easy. Then for the round ones, get the round detail brush. What that'll do is it'll wrap around the round shapes perfectly and makes the job so easy, you'll get this done in absolutely no time.
Fuss, how good has this turned out?
I'm loving it. I've got to say, in regard to the painting, the fresh coat of white on the walls has brightened the room, but the idea of using black on that balustrade, that's really made that pop.
Oh, it looks amazing, and I've tied all the colours into the balustrade, so the whole room just has such a beautiful vibe to it. Even changing the whole layout, putting the couch here, the TV unit over there, and then styling with these warm tones. And this couch from Furniture Trader, it's absolutely beautiful, and those coffee tables there, love it. And Fuss, don't forget, even the under the stairs storage is just so much better now. It was quite cluttered before, but it's amazing what a few simple shelves, couple of hooks can do to the whole vibe of the place.
You know what you've done, Ames? You have put the living back in this living room.
Thanks, Fuss.